It was the second to last solve. This was deciding to solve to see if I get a 12 average. And how did we get here? Well, I'm going to show you how. First, let's get to the start. 27th of June, registrations opened up for the APHC 2023 or August Bank Holiday 2023. And that was the competition. I forgot to pay for registering. Okay, I tried the next morning and signed up for the competition. I entered in for 3x3, 2x2, 5x5, pyraminx and scuba. That was when I read the cutoff. 3x3, 3 minutes. Easy. 2x2, 30 seconds, and the rest easy. But 5x5, 2 minutes. Yeah, I don't average anywhere near that. Don't worry, I decided to practice a lot, and I got a 2 minutes 16. And then I changed my method for 5x5, and I got a 2 minutes 03 plus 2. Now, this is where we're at the competition. I barely have any footage for the first day, so I have to explain it by words. First group of 2x2 and round 1. The clip is going trick. Just on 2x2, I got big place, at least for now, because the other rounds are still going, but I got an average of, I can't remember, it was around 5 seconds. I'll put this on screen. I got a sub 5 seconds off it. And Skib, I got 95th and 99th, and then my 3x3 got taken along with my 5x5. So my unboxings. Now using the card. The box. Got it open first time. Can't get plastic off of my fingers. Magnets are a lot stronger than they are on the Tornado Divisions 3, and it fits my turning style very well, even out of the box. Right, catch you in the next one. Another live unboxing. This is the Dionysia. I have to do it one-handed, so it's not that easy. Yes. Oh, and how could I forget? Unboxing tools. 5x5. I didn't get cut off. Day 2 was more exciting. 3x3. Here's the footage. Ready? Yeah. Yeah, ready. Okay. When you're ready, let him do it. Ready. 10 seconds.
Ready? Ready when you're ready. Ready. 8 seconds. So that's when you twist away.
Yeah.
That's a 2 plus 2.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So 15 plus 2, 8. Plus 2 equals 17. Good. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Look.
Two counting 17.
17.06.
Wish I could have had one like my third song.
I was really looking for something. They're really looking for me to get for me, and they're really good. I need to make
Take both cubes and you are done.
And yeah, the 10 was insane. Who remains?
Good luck.
Ready.
Seconds.
That's really annoying. That is proper annoying.
6.
Seconds. 12 seconds.
Ready. Ready. So I'll now show my signing on it. Ready? I forgot what colour I was starting on. I got so lucky to get a 10.5 average. Now see you guys in round 2. What's that? So I want 39. Yeah. Ready.
8 seconds.
Second average. I'm absolutely certain that I got lucky. I don't think that I am skilled enough to pull that off consistently. I didn't record the 18. Messed up on that one. Pimmix. I don't have any words. Bad. Just bad. Along with 3x3 round 3. But yeah, if you're new, like, subscribe and comment with support, and this may explain why I took quite a big break from YouTube. I just wanted to practice. And yeah, I'm going to be getting back into it. Thank you for watching.